It was the largest ever humanitarian response in financial terms by the British government. And the British public also responded very warmly and fully. We committed £134 million, that's about 18.5 billion Pakistani rupees as a government. We've never committed more to any other disaster.
What are the education and healthcare specific projects by the UK aid agency in the disaster areas?
We are in the recovery phase. After the immediate emergency response, we're focusing on supporting maternal and child health in most parts of the country. We have put in not only bridges in flood-affected areas, but also rebuilding of schools. We're very focused on getting kids back into education. So our response has been not just the emergency phase, but the post-flood recovery phase, and we're still supporting recovery and reconstruction 1 year on.
Is the UK government also eliminating any risk management factor of any other disaster in future in Pakistan?
We are working with the International Committee of the Red Cross to establish 12 disaster response units that would, if there were another natural disaster, allow us to respond even more quickly and help the international response.
Thank you very much.